Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is the 31st of December, and this is a new release of the daily overview of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from the Trade Hub company. And I want to wish to everyone a happy new year, wish you health and personal and financial growth. I also wish you a lot of bright moments and profitable trades in new year. And now let's see the charts. And we will start with the pair of euro-dollar. I think we got waves 1 and 2 and in upward direction as part of the fifth wave of the older period. All this movement occurs with overlaps, and therefore you can fix your profit. We reached our target at 1.23. The forecast has been worked out perfectly, but we can leave some of the deals in case of extension in the final fifth wave. As for the franc dollar, we expected a decline. And now I expect a reversal in near future. You also can close some profitable trades now and leave some in case of extension in the last fifth wave. For the British pound, the price is almost complete the formation of a global impulse, and I expect a global correction for several months with targets at 1.25, 1.27. But be careful because it could be only the first wave in this fifth wave. So after a small correction, we will get a continuation of growth. We need to look at the structure of further movement. There is nothing to add for the Canadian dollar yet. Also enforced two options. The main one tells us about a decline in the final fifth wave. And the alternative indicates the presence of wave 1 and 2 in upward direction. In any case, we will soon get a reversal for this pair. For the dollar yen, I think we will update the local minimum, form the ending diagonal and get an upward reversal. As for Australian dollar, it is perfectly following our count. We have almost reached the indicated level of 0.775 and I expect the growth to continue. I put the critical level a little bit higher. Stop loss on previously made purchases can be dragged below this level. As for the WTI crude oil, we have wave correction that still drag on, and we will get a decrease in this pair. The option with waves 1 and 2 in upward direction is currently being translated into an alternative. The main option now tells us that we will get complicated correction. It could be a double zigzag, as you can see on this chart, or a triangle in wave 4. Everything will depend on the structure of further movement. The S&P index continues to grow steadily. We should get another fifth wave inside this third wave of this period. Therefore, I think that growth will continue. In the gold market, we get a slight increase yesterday, which speaks in favor of the option with the leading diagonal or waves 1-2 and 1-2 in upward direction. With the red line on the top, I mark the level beyond which the price cannot go if the leading diagonal is formed, but the minimum targets for it are to cross this top. In this case, we will have waves 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In case of confirmation of the count with waves 1, 2 and 1, 2, we will expect a strong and long-term growth. And the last day, Bitcoin. Yesterday I warned that the growth could continue, and I can assume an option with the ending diagonal in this last fifth wave. I think if it will be implemented, we will expect a correction with targets at least around 22,000–23,000 for one Bitcoin. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.